Yeah.
Also, we were just talking about why is it so easy to make disagreeable decisions and why is it so hard to make agreeable decisions. And I was just saying that, all right, it depends on our guardians.
Just say it one way.
Our guardians, what did they teach us to do? For the most part, like you take the American life, our guardians, our parents, like if they was going through a bad time, how did they release themselves? And for the most part, it was maybe a drink, maybe a smoke, or maybe just like overeating or doing something like that. And that's the first thing. That's the first thing we were taught to do. So
our brains are wired,
Yeah.
right? We're already wired for predisposition of like where do we go when we need release, right? Or
right.
stress.
Because the body is wired like that because the body is a computer. So if we can reprogram our subconscious, just reprogram our body by doing more agreeable things to us, the whole game going to change. And how do we reprogram? You know, we learn new information, and most of all, we stop doing the things that's disagreeable for ourselves in the first place. So,
and make new practices. We can practice and rewire our brain, right?
Yes, we can. And the first things first is what we want to put into the computer, which is superpower food, such as bananas, you know, things that come from the bigger computer that we already living on, which is the earth. So the earth gonna give us everything that we need already. So we don't have to make any other changes. Just go with the earth and go by the biorhythm that the earth is going on already. So the earth is first and foremost our mother, and what our mother does is what we gotta do too. So
He is so right, Mother Earth. You gotta listen to it. You hear that? Mother Earth knows all the answers.
sure.
Trust your instinct, right? Trust your body.
You do it. Not on the earth, you're gonna go back to the earth. So it's gonna hold us in balanced vibration and keep continuing to breathe in that good prana, baby.